Bluebird Ford-powered propane Vision with the Roush fuel system is one of the easiest buses to operate on the road, and one of the easiest operating features about it is its quietness and its startability. It has to be plugged in the winter. The driver just comes in the morning, makes sure the vehicle's in neutral, turns the key over, lets it go. The dash goes through a series of checks to make sure there's no leaks or problems with the bus, and then it starts on its own.